Welcome to this powerful gratitude journaling challenge. Each day as you write in your journal, these affirmations will help you cultivate a mindset of appreciation, abundance, and inner peace. Let's begin. I am grateful for this beautiful new day, full of endless possibilities. I appreciate all the blessings, big and small, that enrich my life. My heart is open to receiving and expressing gratitude in every moment. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth and wisdom. I attract positive experiences by focusing on the good in my life. Gratitude fills my soul, bringing me peace, joy, and contentment. I choose to see the beauty in every experience and lesson life offers. My gratitude multiplies my abundance in ways beyond my imagination. I cherish the love and kindness that surrounds me every day. The more I express gratitude, the more blessings flow into my life. I am thankful for my body, my mind, and my spirit. I embrace today with a grateful heart and a positive mindset. My gratitude journal is a sacred space for reflection, growth, and self-love. I am deeply grateful for the people who bring joy and love into my life. Each day I find new reasons to be thankful and appreciative. My thoughts are filled with gratitude, and my heart is light and free. I am in harmony with the universe, and I trust in its divine timing. Gratitude is my superpower, transforming my life with positivity and peace. I welcome the day with a grateful spirit and an open heart. I am thankful for the endless opportunities that come my way. As you write in your journal today, allow these affirmations to guide your heart toward gratitude. Remember, gratitude is a daily practice that transforms the way we see the world. Keep journaling, keep appreciating, and keep shining. Thank you for joining this gratitude journaling challenge. Wishing you a day filled with joy, peace, and endless blessings.